get a test to protect yourself and those around you. I'm going to open up the floor to Dr. Randolph from the Health Department.
Thank you. And greetings, fellow citizens of Shelby County. This is Dr. Bruce Randolph, the Health Officer for Shelby County Health Department. I just want to add to what Dr. Haushalter highlighted about first, the disparity that exists in terms of cases and deaths among African Americans in Shelby County compared to whites in Shelby County. The population, Shelby County is roughly 937,166 people. We have experienced 49,631 cases of people who've been infected. I mean, 5.3% of our population have been infected by this virus at this point, which is roughly 1 in 20. The population of Shelby County, the African American, the black population of Shelby County is 52.1%. The number of cases, 56.8% of the cases of COVID-19 that occur in Shelby County occur among blacks. Blacks make up 52% of the population, but is making up 56.8% of the cases of COVID-19. White population of Shelby County is 40.6%, and white population accounts for 26.4% of the cases of COVID. And you mentioned, and Dr. Haushalter mentioned that roughly 16% of the cases of the COVID occurred among the Latinx or Hispanic population that makes up 5.6% of the population in Shelby County. Now, when we look at deaths, 62.3% of the deaths that are occurring as a result of COVID is occurring among black people in Shelby County. Though they make up 52% of the population, they account for 62.3% of the deaths. As I stated, white population is 40.6%, and they account for 31.9% of the deaths that are occurring. So I just wanted to really bring that home and break it down so that you can understand the disparity that exists and why we really are very serious about emphasizing to the population that everybody, we must wear our mask. We must practice the social distancing. We must avoid the crowding. We must not gather in situations that occurred over the weekend that could allow transmission of the virus to occur. We must do our part to remain